So the other cylinder gasket, this one is clean and dry. This one is not extremely good because the holes are too tight. So I take a file, grinding rod, whatever you call it. I don't care. You know what it is, I hope. Give it some treatment and it fits very well. So, I told you I don't like to use this gasket material, but the one side and then the other side too. But I use a little bit less now because I don't want to clean the surface again. It's sticky enough. It's really sticky. So, don't forget the O-ring. It's sitting there, sticking. So, yes, I use a lot less or not so much of this special sealant. Cylinder head is ready. I will put it on the engine. If it don't fit, I told you, use a hammer like Jeremy Clarkson. Mend it and it will work. This one I was already checked, but I'm missing two parts. I have to figure out where it is. One moment please. So, we call them in Holland stoterstangen. I think they're called rockers, but stoterstangen. Tap it with a hammer or clap it, whatever. Put the bolt into the engine. Also do it with a hammer. No problems at all. It will work, I hope. And if not, you have a problem. So, that looks fine. And now I see a little problem. Push one of the things down. If it won't work, please try the other bolt. Use a small wrench, then you won't damage it because the wrench is not capable of breaking something. You don't have enough force to break it. Now the cylinder head is pulled down and you will see one of the intake valves is pressed also down, and this one is not cooperating. I think this bolt is not good. One of the bolts, I throw this one away. So take another one. I'm happy I have a lot of those. And now I'm going to see what is going to happen. The bolt was not good. I throw it away. Fine. Fine. Yes, I didn't turn the power down of this wrench, so I'm using my experience to put the pressure evenly down. It starts to come. Yes. 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 Righty. So now I want to know if the engine turns around. Quite happily. There are no problems. That's great. So, 2 cylinder heads are installed. Now I will stop the movie again and start it up for adjusting the valve clearance. Yes, I make another movie for the valve clearance. See you later. Bye bye.